So after you receive the machine, you could first place the machine like this. You can see after the conveyor, after push out, you have the conveyor like this, and then you can connect the conveyor with the main machine like this. We can make the mark here so that you can easily connect with the main machine. And also you can place the outfeed conveyor belt right after the outlets of the main machine. We also put a mark here so that you can easily connect it here. So the box will fall down here and then go to here and stop here, and then we'll print here. Okay. And also you have the separate plug for the conveyor belt and also for the printer. And you can plug them here. And you have the connection, have the connection for the pipe, air pipe here, to connect to here. You see, we will leave this one on the machine, and then you will have to plug it from the white, the transparent to transparent, and the black to black. Okay, and also you have this plug, and you can connect the B to B, A to A. This is the connection. And also here you have the air supply, air and also the power supply. One from here. You can pull out a little bit to connect the air supply, and also this is for the plug, and you go to the main machine and you can connect it here. You can connect the big one and the smaller one here for the power supply for this automatic feeding device to the main machine. And for the tube machine, and you have the air supply to both of the valve here. You can connect this one. And also this one is the power plug for the tube machine. And also you have this one, this signal. This signal is to this one. So you will later to connect the signal plug here on the tube machine, so the two machines could work together. And also we have this one, and you can put the cold water, just cool water, the normal temperature water here, and also the water pump you can also put in here to cool down a little bit for the coating mode here. And this one is for the to exhaust the water inside the heating hopper. Exhaust the water in the heating hopper. And for this one, you can watch the heating water in the double jacket from here. If the water gets lower, you need to refill the water inside the double jacket hopper.